So do you want to see a college student's apartment that isn't filled with chips bags all over the place? Welcome to my minimalist apartment. I have nothing at all. I just have the floor. This is where I sit. Usually I get my laptop here, I work. I just have the bathroom, it's right here. That's it, a bathroom, and I just work on my laptop. So on a serious note, let's talk about minimalism. What is minimalism in the first place? Minimalism for me is having things that I use. Only having things that I actually use and not things that are just there for the fun of it. Like even decorations, I only have decorations that I actually like. I even found some decorations in this apartment that I just put away. They don't bring me anything in life, not joy, nothing. They're just there filling space. And also another disclaimer, this apartment is actually furnished. I got it furnished. I'm renting a furnished apartment at a really good price. A really good location as well, very close to the sea, like 5 minutes walking, and very close to college, 20 minutes walking or 5 minutes with a bus. And a great park. It was snowing the other day, that park was really good. Let me take you on a tour. So let's start. I'm facing the front door. Okay, this is the front door. If you're a robber, I live with 5 other really strong people. If you're just a viewer, welcome. I live by myself with a cat. So when you enter to the left, this is me. But as you can see, there's this door where you can find jackets and shoes. Not a lot of shoes, but shoes. And then you can go to the right, or you can go to the left. To the left, there's the bedroom, another room, the bathroom, which I will show you later. For now, let's go to the right part of the room, or the apartment, sorry. First, we get the kitchen. As you can see, here's my 2 phones. Not because I'm rich, but actually it's saving me money to have 2. I'm not gonna explain it in this video, maybe another time. This is the kitchen. It's pretty clean, pretty good looking. It's a big upgrade from my previous kitchen. As you can see, I'm boiling a potato. Alright, it's not boiling, but yeah, this is my lunch for today. Anyways, I only have a coffee machine, black coffee machine. That's all I have. There you can see, this is how they drink water here in Turkey. There is the Wi-Fi modem. I don't know why it's there, don't ask me, but yeah, it's there. Microwave and washing machine, dishes machine, the oven. So as you can see, I like to keep it clean. Most of the time it's like that. I actually didn't even clean the apartment. I'm supposed to clean it today, but I'm gonna clean it after this video because I want to keep this as authentic as possible. Let me actually show you the lighting as well. I can turn this one off and I'll have only the LED lights, which looks pretty great. This is how I like to keep it at night most of the time. So moving from there to here, where you can see a fridge and a lot of spots to store stuff. Here I store some food. Here I store mostly electronics stuff. Things that I use, maybe camera accessories, things like that. And look at this. This is my favorite one. You can have vegetables there, fruits. I used to have bananas here. It's already over. I have to throw this, but we'll do it after this video. Then we move to this part, which is the living room. The living room. But before you enter the living room, you have to cross this setup, my setup. So let me just change the software to something more cool, you know, programming software actually. Yeah, okay, this looks much better than just Google, right? So this is my setup, the worst cable management you could ever see, but overall it's really great. As you can see, I have lighting there, I have the camera here as a webcam connected to the laptop, and yeah, this is pretty much it. This is my setup. Pretty clean, I think. Not a lot of cables from this side, but yeah, if you look down here, it's really bad cable management, or non-existent. As you can see, this is my background. Not great I want to maybe add a poster or something, but I have to find something that I actually like to add it. This is what minimalism is for me. So moving to the living room, the only thing that I hate is this table. It's not about the table itself, it's just that I don't use it. But I got this apartment furnished, so it's there. It used to be here. This is not minimalist, but I got it furnished. I'll say it's a minimalist apartment because I got it furnished. I only bought these. I bought the chair and the desk. Anyways, let's move to the living room, and shocker, no TV. No TV. Well, I have a lot of things going on these days, so having a TV would be a waste of time. I would get a TV if I would use it more. But these days I'm really busy. I will get a TV probably one day, but just for now I don't need it. So right now I have my iPad, as you can see here. My iPad, I just use the iPad to watch YouTube videos, or if I want to watch something, I just use the iPad. This is the couch. This is actually where I eat as well, so I don't use this table. I sometimes eat there at the counter, but usually I just eat here. This is my favorite spot. Not the best table ever, it's alright. It gets the job done. There is my roommate. I have my roommate, as you can see here. He is sleeping. Okay. But anyways, this is his bed. He doesn't use it. He uses this couch. Wow. Alright. As you can see, some dumbbells. Wow, they're only 5 kgs actually. I found them at the apartment as well, didn't even buy them. So this is pretty much it on this part of the apartment. Let's move to the other part, which has the bathroom and the bedroom and the storage room. So you might be asking why I have a football ball at home. Well, it's because I like football, that's why. You can have a football here, pass. See? I can play football by myself. Pass. I can actually play tennis as well. So let's move to that part. First of all, you got the bathroom. I don't know why you want to see a bathroom, but it's just a normal bathroom. There's a bath and a bathroom. Da-da-da.
Man, I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear.
Okay, there is a great thing actually here. Let me just show you. Let me show you. You hear that? You can open the radio in the bathroom. Why would I use that? I don't know. Did I use it? No. This is the storage room. I don't want to show it. But it's just a storage room. Alright, let me actually show you. I want this to be really authentic. Just a storage room. Mess. Really a mess. This is all the garbage that I have to take out, that I didn't take out. This is just boxes that from things that I bought. I need to throw them out. Now let's move to the bedroom. The room that I use the least other than the storage room. Bedroom, I just use it to sleep. Wow, shocker. But seriously, I know some people who spend a lot of time at bed. So this is my cat. He's here now. Wow, okay. That's the mat that I use to work out. I take it and I work out there. As you can see, well, my blanket is actually shorter or smaller than the bed because I had this blanket for another bed that I used to have, but now I'm using it for this bed. It's pretty annoying, isn't it? Yeah, it's really annoying. Anyways, hi. Let me show you this cool thing about the wardrobe. As you can see, this is the stuff I wear. Boom. Down. Okay, that's pretty much it. Yeah. There is also lighting, like I can turn it on. Let me show you. So, that was my apartment. Minimalist apartment. It's a different type of minimalism. I'm not that type that just gets rid of everything and just keeps the bare essentials. I just keep things that I actually use. That's what I mean by minimalism myself. And you might be thinking this apartment must cost a lot. No, it's actually about $300 to $400 a month. How? It's because I'm studying in Turkey, that's why. This area is really safe, pretty good overall. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll make many more videos in this apartment, much better quality. Probably will make videos cooking as well, because I'm a great chef, no doubt about that. So thanks for watching. I'll see you someday, probably this week. I'm uploading it again this week. Okay, enough. Bye.